Last show of the tour, so I want to thank so much the crew of this show for helping us put this whole thing together every show. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, ladies, for helping us out. We really appreciate it. And also I want to say thank you. You know, it's a long time. We first played in Missouri. We played in 1966, I think, at a Keel convention, which doesn't exist anymore. But anyway, thank you so much, Missouri, for coming back to see us tonight. Thank you. No colors anymore, I want them to turn black. I see the girls walk by, just in their summer clothes. I have to turn my head until my darkness goes. I see the line cars, and they're all painted black. Flowers and my love, but never to come back. I see people turn their heads, quickly look away. But you know, baby, it just happens every day. I look inside myself and see my heart is black. No colors anymore, I want them to turn black. I'll fade away, now I have to face the facts. It's not easy to face it up when your whole world is black. No more will my green sea go to a deeper blue. I could not foresee this thing happening to you.